как дела? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to eat lunch. I'd love to tell you that Kiev has many great lunch spots. But the restaurant that I'm going to take you is quite unique. It has an exceptional Ukrainian food, the cozy atmosphere, reasonable prices. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright, we are walking to the restaurant now. I'm pretty sure we are on the right track. This restaurant is situated in the legendary part of Kiev and Andriivska descent, okay? So take a look. So the name of this restaurant is Kanapa. Interesting fact about this place, it is the only one preserved wooden building of the 19th century. Okay, what is more interesting about that, it survived from several reconstructions. Also there were like a lot of fires here, okay, so yeah, demolition of fires. So right now it's getting cold here, winter time. Let's go inside, okay, come with me. Check it out, I am in Vyshyvanka, our embroidered clothes. Do I look beautiful? I hope so. So yeah, look at the interior, spectacular. One more interesting fact, this place in the ancient time it was used as a brothel. And take a look at this gorgeous balcony. So the beautiful ladies were standing over there, they were showing their beauty. Yes, perfect, yes. And the guys were standing here and they were choosing with whom they would love to spend their time with. So yeah, pretty interesting though, isn't it? Thank you. So another interesting fact, after inhabited ladies, the painters were living here. That's why you can see many gorgeous antique paintings. Okay, right now I'd love to tell you about magic stuff here, okay? So for making it happen, you need a paper and a pen, okay? So what you need to do, you need to write down your deepest wish, okay? So that's what I'm going to do right now. And right now, keep watching and getting what we're gonna do next, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, alright guys, this is the magical fireplace and be careful, dreams do come true. Okay, let's come closer and let's do it. Alright guys, if you have any wishes, please write down in the comments below, and whenever I have time I will go here, write it down, and I'll make it happen. Guys, let's eat together. These are our traditional dishes. This is Svetlana, our waitress. We usually call the waitress by her name, or you can say девушка. You can call the waiter by his name, or you can say молодой человек. Look how they serve the borsch. Fantastic! Wow! Let's eat! Alright, please follow me and we are going to eat in the VIP room. So take a look, we have Borsch. This is our traditional Borsch with Pampushki. Extremely yummy. I'm gonna try a bit and see how it tastes like. Okay. Oh my god, it is so good. Very, very delicious. So yeah, whenever you have a chance, travel here and try it. Let's take a look. I'm with Svetlana, and Svetlana gonna show us a very interesting trick. Are you ready? Let's watch it. Wow, it looks so good. Thank you so much, Svetlana. You did a great job today. Oh yeah, definitely. All right, we are going to try this magical dish. Okay, it's my first time. Let's see. Mmm, it is amazing. Очень, очень вкусно. Wow. Okay, and take a look. We also have Banosh. Okay, let's try a bit of it and see. All right, I'm ready. Mm, very nice. I'm satisfied. All right, guys. Right now we are going to try lard with fried potatoes. Okay, lard. Let's try. Mm. All right, it's salty and smoked lard. Let's try it with potatoes and see what's gonna be better. Mm, yeah, with potatoes better. So take a look. If you're gonna try it together, lard with potatoes. Perfect mix. Alright guys, right now we are going to try Kholodets, or in Russian you can say Kholodets. It's like jelly with meat. Okay, so let's give it a try. Okay, I'm gonna put this one, and we have also mustard over there. Alright, let's put it on top a bit, and let's see how it tastes like. Alright, so there we go. Mm. So good. So with mustard, it's really perfect. Cheers, guys. Or in Russian, you can say za vas. Cheers for you. And I'm ready for the next one. All right. So take a look. We have cabbage rolls, and let's give it a try. So there we go. Okay. Mm, mm. They are pretty nice, and actually, they're like I would say they're salty. They have some kind of tomato sauce on top. They're extremely actually tiny. Take a look. I'm gonna share it with you as well. So very, very tiny. You can see, yes, extremely tiny cabbage rolls. Usually we make them really big, like I would say they're gonna be like that. But here you can see they're extremely tiny and you can put them in your mouth. So yeah, you know. Okay, so let's try with one more. Mm. Oh my god. I like that they put some kind of sauce on top, so it's even like kind of like juicy a bit, you know? It's my first time trying them. I'd love to order them again if I have a chance. Perfect, perfect. So good, yummy. Oh my gosh, I love our Ukrainian cuisine. This is so amazing. Oh my god, this is really good. Right now I'm going to try herring with sliced of potatoes and onion. Mm. It is super good. It's not like so salty. I love it. So with some kind of creamy sauce, let's try. Oh my gosh, potato is so good. Alright guys, if you have any wishes, please write down in the comments below and I'll do my best to make them happen. Thank you.